Hello everyone, got AT&T internet issues, no Wi-Fi, no connection or slow speeds? Let's fix it fast with this quick guide. Understand the color indicator. Before getting into the FIX, understand the color indication or modem. Check that the power, broadband and service lights are green. For 5G gateways, ensure the 5G and 4G LED lights indicate a good connection. Power light solid green, device is on and working normally. Power light flashing green, device is starting up or running a self-test. WPS light solid green, Wi-Fi protected setup completed successfully. WPS light flashing green, WPS is active and ready for connection. Broadband light solid green, good internet connection. Broadband light flashing green, trying to connect to the internet. Broadband light flashing red, internet signal detected but can't connect. Broadband light solid red, no internet signal detected. Troubleshooting steps. Flashing green, the device is starting up or trying to connect, no action is needed. Flashing red, there is a connection issue. Check cable and restart the device. Flashing yellow indicates a problem with the connection, ensure all settings are correct. Flashing amber, a software update is in progress, do not unplug the device until it complete. Fix 1, check for outages. Service outages can affect many users in your area and knowing this can save your time troubleshooting. Visit AT&T's outage information page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Choose your state, service and zip code. Click check for outage button to see if there are any reported outages in your area. Fix 2. Restart your equipment. Restarting can clear temporary glitches and refresh the connection to the network. Method 1. Restart manually. Unplug the power cord from the back of your device and remove the internal battery if you have one. Wait 20 seconds, then reconnect the battery if applicable and plug the power cord back in. Also reconnect the telephone cord if you have DSL service. Wait up to 10 minutes for the gateway or a modem to fully restart and check for a solid green broadband light. Method 2. Restart using Smart Home Manager. Sign into Smart Home Manager. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll to the My Gateway card. Select Restart. Fix 3. Check cable connections. Loose or damaged cables can disrupt the signal and lead to connectivity issues. Ensure all cables, coaxial and Ethernet are securely connected and undamaged. Look for any visible damage to the cables. Replace it if necessary. If you are using Wi-Fi gateway, follow above steps to check damages. Fix 4. Reset your modem or router. A reset can resolve persistent issues by restoring factory settings and clearing any errors. Note down your custom settings like static IP address and Wi-Fi network name before resetting. Locate the reset button on your gateway. Press and hold the reset button for at least 10 seconds. Releasing before 10 seconds will only reboot, not reset. Wait for the gateway to reset completely and all status light to turn on. Click if the broadband or service status lights are solid green indicating a successful reset. Reconnect your device and reconfigure your custom Wi-Fi settings if needed. Fix 5. Update Wi-Fi connection. Changing credentials periodically prompts user to review and optimize their network settings, potentially improving signal strength in the process. It will also remove unwanted devices connected to the network automatically. Sign into Smart Home Manager and scroll to the My Wi-Fi card. Choose Change next to the name or a password and select X. To clear existing info, then enter a new name or a password. Select Save and reconnect your device with the updated network info. Fix 6. Contact AT&T service. Reach out to AT&T customer support for further assistance as they can perform remote diagnostic. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. If necessary, they can schedule a technician visit to investigate and resolve the problem on site. Call 800-331-0500 for assistance with wireless services, billing questions, or general inquiries. Representatives are available Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. CT and Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. CT.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.